Okay, so 5 simple ways to keep a job, right? Number 5, get to work on time. All right? No job want to employ somebody that's always late because then they got to find someone to fill that spot until you get in there and they will always be behind if you're always late. All right? So try to get yourself to work on time. Number 4, do your job. Okay, you're there to do your job, so do what you are there to do. It's okay to help if help is requested, but make sure that you do what you need to do because sometimes you go in, you helping this person, you're helping that person, and guess what? At the end of the day, you don't get your job done, and then the boss calls you in the office. You're gonna be like, "Oh yeah, I was helping this person." Not every boss want to hear that. Do what you go there to do to keep your job. All right, so do your job. Number 3, don't have no relationship with nobody at your job. It never works out. It hardly ever does. All right? Especially if you're in the same department. It's not going to work out. Okay? Because somebody's going to come and talk to her or somebody's going to come and talk to him and you're going to be jealous like, what were you and that person talking about? So don't have a relationship at your job, especially if it's in the same department. It never works out. Number 2, don't be a snitch. Don't be a snitch. Yeah, they say see something, say something. All right, but not every boss like a snitch because eventually they're going to try to find something on you to get rid of you because you're always coming back to them and telling them stuff. Not every job likes that, okay? So do not be a snitch. Don't be a snitch. All right? Number 1, get up off your butt and go get that job. Okay? You can't keep a job if you ain't got one. So if you don't have a job right now, get up, go out there and apply for a job, man. And you follow those steps that I just gave you, trust me, you're going to be able to be at your job for 20 years or until you're ready to retire. All right? Follow those steps and don't be a snitch.